Hello guys, welcome to Listo Tech. In this video I'll show you top 5 software every PC must have in 2025. Whether you're a student, a gamer, or just a casual PC user, there are a few essential tools every computer should have in 2025. These aren't fancy or trendy, they're practical, powerful, and make your digital life easier. Let's dive into the top 4 software you absolutely need on your PC right now. 1. WinRAR. Starting off with WinRAR, the OG compression tool that's been around for decades. Despite the memes about never buying it, WinRAR is still one of the most reliable file archivers out there. It can compress and extract a wide variety of formats like RAR, ZIP, 7Z. And why do you need it? Simple, for handling large files, breaking them into smaller parts, or unlocking downloaded packages. 2. VLC Media Player. Next up, VLC Media Player, the Swiss Army knife of media playback. VLC can play almost every video and audio format you throw at it. MP4, MKV, MP3, FLAC, you name it. No additional codecs needed, but it's more than just a player. You can stream online content, convert files, take screenshots from videos, and even apply real-time filters. Plus, it's open source, lightweight, and 100% free, with no ads or bloat. If you ever had a file that wouldn't open, VLC probably saved the day. 3. PowerReso. For those dealing with disk images or virtual drives, PowerReso is a must-have. It allows you to create, mount, edit, and burn ISO files with ease. In a world that's slowly moving away from physical disks, PowerReso keeps you covered when you need to run or back up legacy software, bootable media, or large installation files. Need to create a bootable USB for Windows installation? PowerReso makes it simple. It also supports bin, NRG, DAW, and many more formats. 4. Malwarebytes. And finally, Malwarebytes, because security is non-negotiable. While Windows Defender is decent, Malwarebytes adds an extra layer of real-time protection against malware, ransomware, phishing, and zero-day threats. It's fast, lightweight, and doesn't slow down your system. One of the best parts, the free version offers powerful manual scans, while the premium version adds always-on protection. It's especially useful if you're downloading files or software from the internet. And let's be honest, we all do. There you have it, 4 essential software tools that every PC in 2025 should have. They're reliable, efficient, and most importantly, they just work. Which one do you already use? Or did we miss your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical PC tips.